Very good evening friends, and in this video we are going to discuss about the different kind of layout called the VBox and HBox. Here the example, just few lines code only, so I have just added to this. So everything is happening in just def init UI. So I created two Q push buttons. One name is OK button, other name is cancel button, and one has got the text OK on it, other has got the text cancel on it. Then I create the object of Q HBox layout HBox, and then I add stretch. Add stretch means it makes the component stretchable, it can be placed, and you have to pass one to this. Then I write HBox.add widget to OK button. So the OK button is added to the HBox, means this is a horizontal box. Then HBox.add widget cancel button. So I add these two buttons in the HBox. Then I create another object which is called the VBox, that is for the vertical box layout. Then again I add stretch features to the VBox object to be 1. Then I add the VBox.add layout and I pass HBox. So HBox already have two buttons and they are placed horizontally, and then I write self.set layout of the VBox. This is all. Then these three lines you already know: set geometry, set window title, and self. So horizontal box and the vertical box together, you can make them look like a grid, and you can make a more flexible layout with the applications. So now just let's see how it all works. So again, if I just give a recap to what I have done in this, so I have created one HBox equal to Q, HBox layout, HBox.add stretch 1, HBox.add widget OK button, HBox.add widget cancel button. Then I created the object of the VBox equal to Q VBox layout, similar. Then I add stretch to VBox also, that is also 1. Then I added the VBox.add layout, and then I passed HBox object to it. Then I create self.set layout VBox. This is all. These three features are same. What I offer is just shadowed part, blue part, all these three lines are same, and the changes what I have discussed. So just practice with us, and this way you can understand how everything works. Just run the code, and then now you can find that how this all works. So just subscribe to our channel and keep on watching. In the next video we'll talk about the grid layout, which is more powerful tool.